The intriguing world of nail-biter. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English idioms, and our star for the day is nail-biter. So, what's the deal with this curious phrase? Stick around to find out. First, let's dissect the words. A nail is the hard covering at the tip of our fingers and toes, while to bite means to grip, cut off, or tear with the teeth. So, putting these words together, we get the image of someone biting their nails. But is it just about that? Not really. Let's move on to the idiomatic sense. In English, when we call something a nail-biter, we aren't just talking about someone chomping on their nails. We are referring to a situation or event that is extremely tense, suspenseful, or too close to call. Imagine watching a movie where you're on the edge of your seat, not knowing what's going to happen next. That's a nail-biter. Now that we know what it means, let's see how we can use it. 1. The final game of the championship was a real nail-biter. Nobody knew who would win until the very last second. 2. Reading that mystery novel was such a nail-biter, I couldn't put it down. 3. The election results were a nail-biter. The candidates were neck and neck throughout the night. So, the next time you're in a tense situation, or watching an unpredictable event, remember this cool phrase. We hope you enjoyed this exploration of nail-biter, and that it adds a fun twist to your English vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of idioms.